Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to our home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, you silly wasp. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Despite the wasps, it's a very good day. I'm not a big fan of wasps. We're back under the old oak tree again today, which means only one thing, it's song time. And today's song is I'll Fly Away. One of my favourites, this. It's a lot of fun to play. And it's fairly easy as well. I usually say easy in a subjective kind of manner because, you know, what's easy for one person is a challenge for another, but I'll try and make it as easy as possible. Now, obviously you're going to need a banjo. Get yourself tuned to open G, which is G, D, G, B, D. That's standard open G tuning. Chord-wise, we're going to be using a C, obviously open G, and a D7. So obviously your open G chord is as shown. Your C position, index finger first fret, second string, and then middle finger, fourth string, second fret, ring finger, right there. That's a lovely C chord. Your D7, just keep your index finger where it is, lift your ring finger up, middle finger, middle string, second fret. It's your D7 chord. G, C, D7. Now we know that, let's crack on with the song. So I'm putting some tabs up here to help us play along. Now they're not normal tabs like you'd normally see. They are a special kind of tab. It's called a Simply Songs tab. I've invented it myself. And I'll quickly run through it with you. So you'll see the Simply Songs comes in 5 lines. Each line represents one banjo string. So you've got string 5, string 4, 3, 2, and string 1. All the notes on the Simply Songs tab will appear in these rectangles called measures. And you will only ever see 2 types of notes on my Simply Songs tab. You'll have individual quarter notes, which are represented by the number 0 with a wick, and it'll sound like this. The other type of notes you will see are bum-ditty notes, and they have no wicks. Consider them wickless, and they sound like this. Okay, now we've got that out of the way, let's crack on with I'll Fly Away. Tab up here. Right, let's go for it. So you can see straight away the first line we're going to be bum-dittying on the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, and then back to the 2nd string. Nothing too challenging about that. Bearing in mind that's open G, so I'm not fretting anything with my fretting hand. And what I always say as well is when you learn a new song, even if you don't, plan to sing and play at the same time, just have the lyrics in your head and speak them or just say them out loud anyway, because it helps with the phrasing of the song. Some glad morning. Let's crack on with line number 2. Now you see these are single notes now, so we're going to play the 2nd string as a quarter note open. I'm going to use our fretting hand now to hold the middle string at the 2nd fret. 2nd string again open. And the 2nd string at the 1st fret. So all together it should sound like this. One more time. So we're using that claw hammer action, striking down. Okay, and then the 4th measure there, we're going to play a bum-ditty on the 2nd and middle string. When this life is over. C chord. So I'm going to hold that C chord as I showed you at the start. 4th string, followed by middle string twice. And then 2 quarter notes. Okie doke. So the 3rd line down should sound like this. With lyrics, I'll fly away. Straight onto that final line, way. So there we're going to hit the 4th string, bum-ditty, 2 quarter notes, and then bum ditty on the third and fourth strings. Okay, so all the way through, I'll play it slowly at first and just see if you can play along. In YouTube, you'll see there's a gear icon. You can click the gear icon and slow the playback speed down. So if you wanted to play along with me, you could do that. Okay, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. With lyrics. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. Let's keep going. Does that line look familiar? I think it does. It's the very exact same copy as the first line. So again, we're going to bum ditty on strings bum ditty on strings 2, 3, 4, then 2. To a home on. And then we're doing that same quarter note picking pattern. A lot of repetition in this song, which is good. So if you learn one section, it'll copy over onto another section. God's celestial shore. Third line down. I'm going into a quick D7 chord now on the middle string. Fly. So third line down. I'll fly. Final line, middle string, then fourth string, bum ditty in. Way. And then we're going to do a little run of quarter notes here. So we're going to go middle string open, second fret, second string open, first fret. Bottom line all together, we'll sound like this. And then that sets us nicely up for the chorus then, which we'll do in just a moment. Okay, let's try it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. To a home on. Fly away. Chorus. If you're finding this tab really useful and easy to read, I've designed them to be like screen friendly, so when you're looking at the screen you're not squinting trying to find individual notes. You can get a full collection of these tabs available at banjoadventures.com/tabs. I've got a growing collection there of songs including this one and many more, so be sure to check that one out. I'll put a link at the bottom. Let's crack on with the chorus. So we're going to go the first string 3 times, bum ditty in. On the fourth time, we're going to hit the second string. Second line down, way old D7, glory. So that D7 chord, it's appearing, then it's disappearing. So you need to be quite quick on the D7 fretting. So second line down, first string, second string, first string, second string, D7 middle string, then release it. Way old glory. And then from there we're into the C chord. So that's a little bit tricky, that bit, because you're going to go G, D7, G, C. You know, so you need to work on that fretting hand a little bit. So we're going to go to the C chord, we're going to hit the fourth string. So that's a copy of the first page, I believe. I'll fly away. It's all very simple stuff when you think about it. And then one last page to go, and then you've got the song in the bag. So we're going to bum ditty second, third, fourth, second string again. Remember, that's a mirrored copy of what we've already been doing. When I die, hallelujah. That little picking pattern again. Hallelujah, by and by. Third line down. Fly, G, finish off, way. You'll notice I finished the song there by going, I'm thinking, doesn't sound like the end of a song, but obviously that carries on back to the beginning then. So if you just play that bottom line, way, and then you you go back into what is essentially the first line on this tab here, and that's the start of the song again. So let's go for it. Bottom line, and then we'll go into the top line. Just listen to how it sounds. You know how to play I'll Fly Away now, and you've discovered the Simply Songs tab. So if you wanted to get yourself a copy of this tab and many more, please check out banjoadventures.com/tabs, and be sure to obviously subscribe so you can have more banjo lessons, more song tutorials.